ಟಿಬೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚೀನಾ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇರುವ ದೌರ್ಜನ್ಯದ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಟಿಬೆಟ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ರು. ಚೀನಾ ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಪರಿಚಯಿಸಿದ ಜನಾಂಗೀಯ ಏಕತಾ ಕಾನೂನನ್ನು ವಿರೋಧಿಸಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಯನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವ 200ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಟಿಬೆಟಿಯನ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಭಾನುವಾರ ನಡೆದ ಸಾಮೂಹಿಕ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ನಡೆಸಿದ್ರು. ಪ್ರಾದೇಶಿಕ ಟಿಬೆಟಿಯನ್ ಯುವ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್, ಬೈಲಕುಪ್ಪೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆರ್ಟಿವೈಸಿ ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಜಂಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿತ್ತು. ನಗರದ ಹಲವು ಭಾಗಗಳಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ನಡಿಗೆ ಮೂಲಕ ಜಾಥಾ ನಡೆಸಿದ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನಾಕಾರರು ಚೀನಾ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಆಕ್ರೋಶ ಹೊರಹಾಕಿದ್ರು. ಟಿಬೆಟಿಯನ್ ಗುರುತು, ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಗ್ರಹಿಸುವ ಗುರಿಯನ್ನ ಹೊಂದಿರುವ ನೀತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಚೀನಾ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಹಾಗೂ ಟಿಬೆಟಿಯನ್ ಜನರ ಹಕ್ಕುಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಗುರುತನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕು ಎಂದು ಇದೇ ವೇಳೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನಾಕಾರರು ಆಗ್ರಹಿಸಿದರು.
And recently on the July 2nd, Paul Longorangze has self-immolated in the front of the UNA headquarters, and he protests mainly. He had captured a six seconds of videos in that Instagram and Facebook where he burned himself, and he said that we need a freedom. Because of lack of the freedom, China is occupying all our countries, and at the same time they are trying to take all the roots of our Tibetan language, Tibetan laws and everything, and they are not even allowing us to do anything in the Tibet. And because of his martyrdom, we came here to protest. Today is August 16. It's on the Wednesday. It's gonna be a 49 days since he self-immolated, and no one has ever speak against that matters right now. So we came here to tell everyone around our Indian brothers and sisters to know about what exactly going on in China, and what exactly China's are doing in the Tibet. And we are Tibetans, and we are never part of China, and we will never want to be a part of China. That's all I'm going to say. And right now they have passed the ethical laws, which is something which is very irrelevant as for us as a Tibetan, because we are strongly against that, and we are not going to be like tolerant on that things, and we will never want to tolerate on these things. And we make sure that the UN headquarters will speak something against the self-immolation which happened in front of the UN headquarters, so that like everyone will know that right to speak and right to freedom is ethical law for everything, right? Everybody have a right to law, right to speak. But whereas China is taking our small kids from their parents and putting in a hostel only to study the Chinese language, which is not possible at all, I guess. As a parents, as a nation of a students, we are not going to tolerate such things in the Tibet. And we are here as the Gen Zs, and we are the young people. We are going to protest. We want to spread towards the Indian brother and sister to help us and support us on these matters. And we are Tibetans. Thank you.